guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naina and I hope you guys are doing well. Now for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys two different ways to elevate your simple, basic, boring outfit into something really nice, sassy, classy, something which will make a good impression. So yeah, in this video, I'm gonna be sharing my fashion hacks that can simply take your outfit from 0 to 100. No, okay, I don't wanna say 0 because nobody is 0, but from 100 to 1000. So yeah, for this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys two outfits which are very basic and we wear it almost on every single day. I also have an announcement regarding the giveaway, so please stay tuned till the end of the video. And without any more talking, let's just quickly get started with the video. For this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys two basic simple outfits. And alright, so let's just begin with our first outfit. So it's a simple t-shirt and a jeans. This outfit is something that we wear almost on daily basis. Alright, so the first revolutionary hack is to actually tuck in your t-shirt, because this way you have a more clean, presentable look and it doesn't look shabby at all. So always try to tuck in your t-shirt inside your jeans, and trust me, tucking is an art, so always do it wisely because you really don't want that pooch in front. So yeah, always make sure that you tuck in your t-shirt really nicely. Now the very second hack that we're gonna start by is applying something on our face. So I'm not asking you to put a whole lot of cake on your face if you're not into makeup and all, but to simply just apply a lipstick and a little bit of mascara and some blush can really elevate your outfit. A little bit of makeup just acts like a cherry on the cake, so that's what I'm asking you to do it. So if you're not into makeup, don't worry, don't do it, but a little bit of lipstick, some blush and some mascara can definitely oomph up your outfit. So the third hack is to actually add accessories in your outfit. I'm gonna accessorize my outfit, and by accessorize I doesn't mean going overboard with my jewelry. So basically I'm someone who cannot just wear everything at once. Like I can wear either on my ears, on my neck or on my fingers. I just cannot go overboard with my jewelry. So basically for me, accessorizing means having a nice belt that really holds your outfit together, a nice bag and also a nice watch. So for me, I just like to do my accessories this much. So for this outfit, I have chosen this nice belt that has a lot of crystals going on. I bought it from Forever 21. So I think this looks really nice. Since I'm wearing a very simple and basic outfit, I think a little bit something on my belt will really hold my outfit together. Now for the bag, I have chosen something which is in coordination with my t-shirt. It is something in pink, and this bag has a lot of glitter in it. I think makes my outfit from really simple and basic to something which I can definitely wear to parties. So yeah, this is the bag that I'm carrying. And for the watch, I went ahead and wore this blue and gold Guess watch on my hands, and that's all. For my neck, I really wanted to keep something very minimal, so I went ahead and wore this three sleek chains on my neck, and I think it looks great. It looks something, but again it is nothing. So I really wanted to add a piece of jewelry in my outfit, but I really don't want to go overboard with it. So I think these three sleek chains are doing their job. Now the hack number 3 is to actually roll up your sleeves. So make sure that you have a very sturdy bra strap. So all you gotta do is just take your bra strap, put it on your sleeves and roll it back. So basically this has a lot of chic and masculine vibes all at once, and I think this looks really hot. Anyway, muscle tees are so much in trend these days, so it's a very simple hack to make any t-shirt of yours into a muscle tee. So all you just need a sturdy bra strap, that's all. So we are almost done with the outfit and the makeup, and now the very last hack is to actually add a nice footwear. So I would have added something like my sneakers or something, but I really wanted to make this casual looking outfit into something which I can definitely wear to the parties. So that's why I went ahead and added these beautiful leopard print heels. These are from Lulu and Sky, and these are really high heels. Another hack is to actually add a very nice hair accessory. So hair accessories plays a very important role in elevating your outfit. So here I went ahead and chose this beautiful hairband. You guys know my love for hairbands. So here I went ahead and chose this beautiful pearl hairband which is white and which is very sleek. It's nothing much. So I really wanted to add something super nice and yet something which will make a statement. That is the reason that I went ahead and chose this pearl hairband. There's a lot more going in my belt, in my bag, that I really wanted to keep rest of the things very nice and simple, yet something very chic. So that's that, and yeah, we are done. can make your basic t-shirt and jeans outfit into something really nice, party wear and classy. Now let's move on to the second outfit. So this is something that can be found in any girl's wardrobe. This is such a common dress. So basically it's a black dress. It's a simple black dress. It has nothing going on except these gold buttons inside, and it also has a slit on side. So it's quite a long dress, which I again love wearing the way it is. But again, if I have to go somewhere, suppose hanging out with friends or going out for a movie, I would still love to elevate the simple black dress into something really nice. First hack is to actually add a belt. So here I went ahead and added this beautiful pastel belt. So you guys know that how belts can really hold your outfit together. It looks more structured. So here I went ahead and chose this beautiful pastel color belt. That is from Zara. I got it with one of their dresses. So this is the belt that I'm wearing, and I really wanted to do the color blocking with this outfit. Since everything is plain boring black, I really wanted to add some color. So that's the reason that I went ahead with this pastel belt, which again I think is breaking the monotony of this outfit. I really feel the length of my dress is way too long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my dress and tuck it inside my belt. So I'm just gonna make the length shorter this way. So basically I'm just pulling my dress inside the belt so that I can have a little bit shorter dress. So yeah, that's what I did. For the next hack, I went ahead and did layering. So for this I went ahead and chose my oversized denim jacket, keeping my one shoulder bare. So that's what I did. And yeah, and then for my hair I went ahead and chose this beautiful looking hairband. It has a lot of crystals in it. So I chose this hairband to make a half top knot. So that's what I did. And then for the back, I again chose something which is in tone with my dress. So I chose this Charles & Keith bag, which is black and grey in color. Again, I'm sorry about that. Then for the accessories, I really don't wanted to add any piece of jewelry because I really wanted this outfit to look very chic, stylish and badass at the same moment. So I didn't wanted to add any accessories, but I still went ahead and chose this beautiful watch, which is again a gold watch, and it's a vintage looking watch, and I think it looks really classy, feminine, girly. So this is the watch that I chose to wear. And for the footwear, I went ahead and chose these boots to wear. So basically these are the boots that I chose to wear with this entire outfit, since I really wanted some girly plus some masculine vibes to go with this outfit. So yeah, that's what I chose to wear. So again, the color of these boots are in tone with my belt. So they are kind of in the same family. So this is like dark purple color boots that I chose to wear this outfit, and I think it looks really nice because the whole vibe of that outfit was really girly, feminine and yet badass, classy. Again, this is my version of elevating this simple basic outfit into something super badass. Video guys, so these are the two ways in which you can elevate your simple basic outfit into something super sexy, super hot. This is a really new concept that I tried doing on my channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. And if you did, you know the drill. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification button so every time I post a video you get notified. And now talking about the giveaway winner, so I am planning to do a live video on my channel on 25th where I'm also going to be announcing the winner of the giveaway. If you haven't participated yet, I'm going to put the link here. Go ahead and click this link and participate it now. And yeah, I'm really planning to do a live video where I can just, you know, have a chit chat with you guys. I just want to know each one of you. So I haven't decided on the time yet. I'm soon gonna decide on it and will share the information on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on my Instagram, please go ahead and follow me now. My Instagram handle is right here. Follow me there, and yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on 25th in a live session. So stay tuned. Bye.